So market sentiment has been beginning to shift. We are seeing more bullishness throughout the space. And I will say this, the bears, they are in fact losing control. We can see it in the charts. We have now been in an uptrend on BTC since early September, and that has not slowed down. And I have to say, it looks like the shorts are hanging on by a thread right now. You know, people opening up new positions, betting against the market, trying to suppress prices and push them down. But I don't think anybody's buying it at this point. Right now, sentiment again is very, very close to bullish. All right, we're sitting in the neutral range right now. Assets throughout the space have been pretty level. SHIB has obviously been strong as well, holding that support, that 5072. And right now, it does not look like we are getting rejected here or going down really anytime soon. As always, this is not financial advice, but what people need to realize is there are those out there that are betting heavily against the market right now. They're paying very close attention to the macro factors outside of the space, inflation, possibility of a recession, war, things like that. And they're betting against the market hard. Now, the reason why this is important is if you continue to get these people betting against the market, leveraging themselves, opening short positions, and the right entity comes through and starts buying heavily, we can go on an insane run in a very short period of time. BTC can get pushed to a new new yearly high just on the simple fact that people are not being very smart right now. All right. People are hoping and praying for lower prices. And right now the charts just aren't necessarily showing it. Now, could be 100% wrong, right? We could get a correction. We could drop, create the right shoulder on this head and shoulders, flip around, create, go down to 20, 19K, somewhere in there. And charts across the space would get wrecked. But we have seen extreme support in these ranges. Mass adoption is coming. Spot Bitcoin ETFs, very close to approval. SEC losing power. There's a lot of positives to take away from here. So right now, me personally, I'm not betting against the market at all. I've had some times of slight bearishness where I thought we might drop down and create, some recent lows and stuff like that. But those times, as we are getting closer to the bull market, as we're getting closer to the Bitcoin halving, those times are quickly fading away. You do have to realize that we have a very limited time where you can actually drop down, create lows. Apart from something like a major black swan event, it doesn't look like we're going to create some new lows here. All right. That means that SHIB is likely to have an explosion out of this area. All right. Where we get rejected at is kind of the big question. 5078 to 5080 is a range that we've struggled with. You can see us having problems here back in July. We had problems here back in June as well. But once we break through there, it's a lot of no man's land. It's a lot of smooth sailing. And right now, although there aren't many catalysts for SHIB, we obviously had the launch of shibarium. There's not a whole lot apart from, Shiba Swap 2.0 coming to shibarium or future launches in the SHIB ecosystem, or the SHIB Association getting out their chain and getting that up and running. But what we could see is major catalysts just throughout the industry. BTC setting new highs for the year would absolutely be explosive for SHIB price. If it wasn't, I'd be a little concerned. But just pay attention. The better times are right at our doorstep. It's a matter of when that door will in fact be open. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.